The Universal Church has performed an intense variety of social works for the neediest, with either material help or spiritual support. One of the neighborhoods in Houston, Texas, that received this help was the community of CUNY Homes. Volunteers of the Unisocial group, together with the other groups of the church, such as Godlywood, the Youth Power Group, Universal Beyond Bars, and others, united their strength for this great community social work. In this opportunity, the people that were present were served breakfast and received food supplies that were donated by the members of the church and sponsors of the BET show. In addition to this, they received the most important thing: a strong prayer for the family and the community.